Good morning, students. So we were discussing about the organs of the United Nations. The first organ we started was General Assembly. So the second one is Security Council. So the second organ of the UNO is Security Council. But first of all, the United Nations head is, you should know about the United Nations head is its Secretary General. So at present the Secretary General of United Nations is Antonio Guterres. Again your 1 mark question. I again repeat, the United Nations head is its Secretary General, and the Secretary General of United Nations is Antonio Guterres. Now comes to the second organ. The second organ is Security Council. Security Council was designed to be the main guardian of world peace. In Security Council, there are 5 permanent members and 10 non-permanent members elected by the General Assembly for 2-year term. Security Council basically having 5 permanent members. The 5 permanent members in the Security Council and 10 non-permanent members in the Security Council. The 10 non-permanent members, these were elected by the General Assembly for 2-year term. So the term tenure of the non-permanent member is basically for 2 years. Only permanent members in the Security Council, they have one veto power. And how many permanent members are there in the Security Council? 5 permanent members, and these 5 permanent members, they were having veto power. Now the 5 permanent members in the Security Council are US, UK, Russia, France, China. Now my question is, why there are only 5 permanent members in the Security Council? In the Security Council there are only 5 permanent members, as these countries were the winners after the Second World War. I again repeat, Security Council, the composition of Security Council is 10 non-permanent member and 5 permanent members. And there are only 5 permanent members in the Security Council, and these countries are US, UK, Russia, France and China. And why Security Council is having only 5 permanent members? Because these countries were the winners after the Second World War. That is why Security Council is having only 5 permanent members. And the 10 non-permanent members, they were elected by the General Assembly, and their tenure is about only for 2 years. Security Council is headed by the Secretary General. So I told you earlier, the United Nations head is its Secretary General. At present, the head of the United Nations is Antonio Guterres. Your 1-mark question. Now comes to the functions of the Security Council. Security Councils, it maintains international peace and security, just like General Assembly. It is also showing its concern towards the international peace and security in accordance with the principles and purpose of United Nations. It investigates any dispute or situation which might lead to international friction. It recommends method of adjusting disputes or terms of settlement. It formulates plans for the establishment of a threat to peace. It calls on members to apply economic sanctions and other measures. It supports the cause of not involving the use of force to prevent or stop aggression. It takes military action against any aggressor. It exercises trusteeship functions of United Nations in strategic areas. So in a nutshell, we can say that this organ of the United Nations Security Council, its main purpose is to maintain international peace and security. So it investigates any dispute or situation which might lead to international friction. So they basically believe in bilateral talks rather than to opt for war. I said these permanent members, they have one power, and that power is veto power. The 5 permanent members in the United Nations Security Council, China, France, Russia, UK and USA, they have one power, and that power is the veto power. Now what is veto power? Veto power means to say no. So veto power is basically means to say no to any pre-resolution that they think is not fit to be passed and become a resolution. If any bill is supposed to be passed, it need the majority of all these 5 countries, because these are the 5 permanent members. If any of the 5 country, suppose France, Russia, UK and USA, they agreed to any one bill and China opposed to it, that bill would not be passed. So this is basically a power of these countries to refuse to any bill which they feel is not suitable. So this is known as veto power. I hope you understand about the second organ Security Council and the veto power which the permanent members are enjoying. And why there are only 5 permanent members? Because these countries, they were declared as the winners after the Second World War. I hope you understand it. Thank you.